A Pakistani economist says the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has delivered infrastructure, trade, and employment to Pakistan, resulting in sustainable development in the country. Launched in 2013, CPEC is a flagship project of the China Proposed Belt and Road Initiative, highlighting energy, transport, and industrial cooperation. It is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Over the past decade, CPEC has helped Pakistan building a number of green and clean energy projects, including solar, wind, and hydropower.
If we look into the hydro project, it includes Karot and Suki Kinari project, which are quite helpful in order to fulfilling the needs of Pakistan's energy requirements. CPEC also built highways, will definitely bring us more connectivity to those areas to the central and ultimately enhancing the more education opportunities and job opportunities.
According to the Chinese side, CPEC has brought $25.4 billion in direct investment to Pakistan and created about 236,000 jobs for the country by the end of 2022.
One is a trade improvisation. The Pakistani domestic manufacturer will have a lower cost in trade. The second thing is the regional connectivity. Through that regional connectivity, Pakistani exporters have a chance to export at much lower cost to the neighboring economies, which will enhance more and more opportunities.
Shukr says CPEC also brought a renewed spirit in local Pakistani companies as they went into collaborations and joint ventures with Chinese companies.
China right now overall itself is moving towards the green energy. So I see that CPEC is efficiently going on, and in future it is aimed to build more infrastructure and bringing more energy projects such as a renewable mainly, which not only enhance Pakistan's power in order to meet up its requirements, the local requirement, but it also boosted employment within the country. So I think that CPEC in real term, it's a sustainable development model.